Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about secure spend prepaid Visa gift cards, and more specifically I'm going to try to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you use your secure spend prepaid Visa gift card online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use your secure spend prepaid Visa gift card online? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you received one of these gift cards and you want to buy something online or pay for some sort of merchant online. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, but there are a couple of things that will prevent you from using the card online. First, I want to let you know that these secure spend prepaid Visa gift cards are automatically activated at the register. You don't have to go through some sort of process to activate it. So for example, I bought this one at 7-Eleven. Once I paid the register cash, it was available within about 5 minutes. However, Secure Spend does say that the card can take up to 24 hours to activate. I've never personally experienced that, but that is a possibility. So if you bought it today at 5 o'clock and it's still getting declined for some reason, then you want to go ahead and just wait the 24 hours because that might be the issue. The second thing you want to know is that when you're using the Secure Spend prepaid Visa card online, many times the retailer is going to ask for a billing zip code or even a billing address. So some prepaid Visa gift cards do allow you to enter a zip code or attach a zip code to your card. For this particular card, you do not have that option. So the recommendation is go ahead and use your mailing address. You can also just make up a zip code and it should go through no problem at all. So you can use 22222 or 11111. But the problem with that is later on, if you need to verify the transaction with that online retailer and you don't remember which zip code that you entered in, it can cause a problem with your transaction. So I would recommend that you use your very specific zip code for your mailing address, and that way it's easy for you to remember if you get asked that question in the future. Also, another thing you want to know is these Secure Spend prepaid Visa cards can only be used in the US. And that goes for online retailers as well. So if the online retailer that you're trying to buy from is located in, let's say, Mexico or Canada, this transaction is probably not going to go through. I'm not sure why that is, and that's kind of annoying, but that's just the rules that are set up with Secure Spend prepaid Visa gift cards. So you'll need to use it at a company like eBay or maybe Amazon or something like that. You can't use it at a foreign company. And that goes for online transactions and in-person transactions as well. Also, if you're going to be using the card online, just be aware that sometimes retailers will authorize a larger transaction than what you're actually buying. So for example, if you're buying something for $25, for some reason, some online retailers will run the authorization for like $30 or $40. Sometimes it's to cover additional fees that could be incurred, or sometimes it could cover additional shipping that might incur. That doesn't necessarily mean you will be charged for that, but they usually authorize a larger amount just to secure the transaction before the item is shipped out. So if they are doing that, let's say they're running it for $35, but your card's like mine and it's only worth $20, then the transaction will be declined. So make sure that the online retailer that you're using is only authorizing the amount less than what you have available on your Secure Spend prepaid Visa card. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to use your Secure Spend prepaid Visa gift card online, those are some things that you need to consider if your transaction is being declined. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.